Hello everybody and welcome to another Tech Minute video. My name is Tom. Thank you for joining me. Today I want to give some advice to those who may not be sure of themselves and their abilities on pretty much any computer. So one of the foolproof way that you can secure your computer from yourself, and I don't mean this in any way, negatively or derogatively. I mean this in a way of, if you're new to the world of computers, or if you've used a computer and had issues in the past where you've gone through and accidentally deleted something or changed a setting that then ended up breaking your computer, I wanted to kind of share this advice in that on any computer, be it Windows or Mac, you can actually go through and create additional accounts. So user accounts, that is. And what that will help you do is the account you're currently using might be an administrator account, and that in itself can allow you to cause damage to your own machine. But if you think outside the box a little bit and you create yourself another account that's may become your admin account, you can change this account to a standard user account. So that way any changes that you make in the future will require a username and password for them to happen. And at that moment, you will know, oh, I'm about to change a setting that could break my computer. What exactly am I doing? And then you can reevaluate, take a step back, reevaluate what you're doing, and decide, okay, this is a valid change, I need to make this. Then you just put in your username and password and the change happens. Otherwise, you can still back out and essentially save yourself from potential nightmare down the line. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you really like this video, consider subscribing and helping out our channel. It really lets us grow and create more content for you guys. And in the meantime, good luck and thank you for watching.